Across the vast and sun-baked deserts of the Arabian Peninsula, where endless dunes meet the horizon and ancient trade routes once flourished, a new chapter in the region's history is unfolding. Here, a monumental vision is taking shape, one that promises to redefine the future of the Gulf. The Gulf Cooperation Council Railway, or GCC Railway. This ambitious network will stretch over 2,177 kilometers, weaving together the nations of Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, and Oman into a single, interconnected corridor. With an estimated $250 billion price tag, the GCC Railway stands as one of the world's most ambitious and expensive infrastructure projects, reflecting the region's bold aspirations for the future. The railway will feature state-of-the-art high-speed passenger trains, designed for comfort and efficiency, as well as heavy-duty freight lines capable of transporting vast quantities of goods across borders. This will revolutionize not only travel, but also trade and economic cooperation throughout the Gulf. But the GCC Railway is more than just steel tracks and trains. It stands as a powerful symbol of regional integration, unity, and a strategic pivot beyond oil dependency, signaling a new era of collaboration and shared prosperity. By linking major industrial hubs, bustling ports, and rapidly growing cities, the railway aims to create a seamless Gulf market, making it easier than ever for people, products, and ideas to move freely across borders. As of October 2025, construction is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, with teams of engineers and workers laboring day and night to bring this grand vision closer to reality. Every mile of track laid is a step toward a more connected and dynamic region. The GCC Railway is set to transform the Middle East's logistical landscape, binding the six nations together with steel, commerce, and a shared destiny, ushering in a future where the Gulf stands united, resilient, and ready to embrace the opportunities of tomorrow. The Unified Gulf Railway idea dates back to a 2009 summit, when leaders began to look beyond oil. The goal: build a robust transportation backbone for economic integration and resilience. At the time, intra-GCC trade was just 10% of total exports, mostly moved by trucks and ships. A modern railway promised to cut costs, speed up deliveries, and boost trade capacity. Beyond economics, the railway was envisioned to foster a shared Gulf identity and make cross-border travel seamless. Early plans included a unified GCC visa to further ease movement. Though the original 2018 completion target proved optimistic, the vision endured through financial crises and political hurdles. The dream of a transformative, interconnected Gulf never faded. Saudi Arabia and the UAE have become the engines of the GCC Railway. The UAE's Etihad Rail now connects all 7 Emirates, with freight trains already operational and passenger services launching soon. This network removes thousands of trucks from roads daily and sets the standard for the region. Saudi Arabia has opened key lines, including the Jubail-Dammam link, and is advancing the massive land bridge project from Jeddah to Riyadh. Dammam is emerging as a central hub for the entire network. These national projects have created momentum, solved engineering challenges, and intensified pressure for neighboring countries to connect. The UAE and Saudi Arabia are building the gravitational center of the future GCC network. The Hafid Rail, launched in 2024, marks a historic milestone as the first major cross-border railway link in the Gulf, connecting Oman's bustling Sohar port directly to the heart of Abu Dhabi. This ambitious project is not just a feat of engineering, but a symbol of deepening regional cooperation and economic integration. For decades, the idea of a seamless rail connection between Gulf countries was little more than a vision. Now, with the Hafid Rail, that vision is rapidly becoming reality, promising to transform the way people and goods move across borders. Managed by the Oman Etihad Rail Company, this 303-kilometer line will cut travel time between Abu Dhabi and Sohar to just 100 minutes, a dramatic improvement over current road journeys. The new rail line is designed for both passengers and freight, offering a modern, efficient, and sustainable alternative to the region's busy highways. It's expected to handle millions of tons of cargo and thousands of travelers each year, easing congestion and reducing carbon emissions. This is a true game-changer for trade and tourism, providing a direct, reliable route that bypasses the challenges of road transport. Businesses will benefit from faster shipping times and lower costs, while tourists can look forward to a comfortable, scenic journey between two vibrant destinations. The rail link is also expected to spur new investments and create jobs along its route. Meanwhile, Kuwait has taken a significant step forward by awarding a contract for its own 111-kilometer segment of the GCC Railway. This move signals a renewed commitment to the regional project after years of delays and uncertainty. The Kuwaiti government is now pushing ahead with construction, aiming to catch up with its neighbors and play a central role in the Gulf's rail ambitions. This crucial section will connect the Saudi border directly to Kuwait City's growing logistics hub, enabling rapid, efficient travel and trade south into Saudi Arabia and beyond. The new rail line will help streamline supply chains, support local industries, and make cross-border movement smoother than ever before. Kuwait's progress breathes new life into the northern corridor of the GCC Railway, reaffirming its role in the collective vision for a fully integrated Gulf transport network. As construction advances, anticipation is building for the economic and social benefits this connection will bring to the region. With the southern link now bridged and Kuwait moving forward with determination, the dream of a fully connected Gulf is finally coming into focus. The GCC Railway is poised to reshape the region's future, bringing countries closer together and opening up new possibilities for generations to come. Qatar and Bahrain are crucial, yet currently disconnected, links in the GCC Railway. Qatar's modern internal rail system is ready, but its connection to Saudi Arabia was delayed by past diplomatic tensions. In July 2025, Qatar signaled renewed commitment by approving the draft railway agreement. Bahrain faces geographical and financial hurdles, relying on the planned King Hamad Causeway to connect to Saudi Arabia. Bahrain must also build its domestic network from scratch, making progress slower. The proposed friendship bridge to Qatar remains uncertain. Integrating Qatar and Bahrain is essential for a unified network, requiring engineering, financial, and political cooperation. Without these links, the railway remains fragmented. The GCC Railway is a catalyst for economic diversification, helping Gulf states move beyond oil. It will boost intra-GCC trade by providing faster, cheaper, and more reliable transport for goods and people. The network connects industrial cities to ports, enabling resilient supply chains and a more competitive regional market. High-speed trains will spur tourism and business travel, while a unified GCC visa will make cross-border movement easier. The project will create thousands of jobs and stimulate new industries, from logistics to technology. By investing in this infrastructure, the Gulf is laying the foundation for a dynamic, interconnected economy. The railway is more than transport. It's the backbone of the region's future prosperity. The GCC Railway stands as both a symbol and a catalyst for regional unity, representing the shared ambitions of the Gulf nations. It is not just a transportation project, but a powerful tool for environmental progress and political cooperation. By physically linking the member states, the railway has the potential to transform the way people, goods, and ideas move across the region, fostering a sense of collective identity and purpose. However, the railway's success is deeply intertwined with political harmony. The Qatar diplomatic crisis, which led to border closures and disrupted collaboration, highlighted how fragile regional cooperation can be. Such events can stall or even derail progress, making it clear that the railway's future depends on sustained diplomatic goodwill and mutual trust among the GCC nations. When operational, the railway will do more than just connect cities. It will bring people together, strengthening social and cultural ties. This increased connectivity can help bridge divides, encourage tourism, and enhance the GCC's geopolitical influence on the global stage, making the region more resilient and interconnected. Environmentally, the shift from road to rail is a game changer. Moving freight and passengers by train instead of trucks and cars will significantly reduce carbon emissions, lower air pollution, and decrease the region's overall environmental footprint. This transition is crucial for the Gulf, where rapid urbanization and economic growth have put pressure on natural resources and air quality. The UAE's Etihad Rail alone is projected to remove millions of tons of CO2 from the atmosphere every year, setting a benchmark for sustainable transport in the region. This reduction not only benefits the environment, but also supports public health and aligns with the Gulf's ambitious climate goals. With fewer trucks clogging city streets, urban areas will become safer, quieter, and cleaner. Residents will enjoy improved air quality, less noise pollution, and more livable neighborhoods, making cities across the Gulf more attractive places to live and work. as the railway network increasingly adopts renewable energy sources like solar and wind. It could become one of the greenest modes of transport in the region. This commitment to clean energy further amplifies the environmental benefits and sets a positive example for future infrastructure projects. Ultimately, the GCC Railway is a cornerstone of the Gulf's green transition, demonstrating that economic growth and environmental sustainability can go hand in hand. By investing in this transformative project, the region is paving the way for a more connected, prosperous, and sustainable future for generations to come. The GCC Railway's journey has been marked by delays, uneven progress, and financial challenges. Each state funds its own segment, leading to disparities. Wealthier nations advance quickly, while others lag. Oil price slumps and competing national priorities have slowed the project. Political disputes, especially the Qatar crisis, expose the vulnerability of cross-border cooperation. Technical and regulatory harmonization remains a major hurdle, requiring unified standards and customs procedures. The creation of the GCC Railways Authority in 2021 was a step forward, but it needs real enforcement power. Overcoming these obstacles demands political will, compromise, and innovative solutions to bridge financial and technical gaps. Only with coordinated effort can the railway become the seamless network envisioned. Experts agree the GCC Railway's potential is immense, but a unified regional strategy is essential. Empowering the GCC Railways Authority to enforce standards is key for seamless cross-border travel. A central GCC Railways fund could help finance crucial links in less wealthy states, benefiting the entire network. Prioritizing profitable freight corridors and leveraging public-private partnerships can accelerate progress. Recent milestones, like the Hafit Rail, show renewed political will and momentum. As the core network becomes operational, economic incentives will drive full integration. The next 5 years are critical. If momentum holds, high-speed trains will soon redefine the Arabian Peninsula.